Introduction. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to be talking about one of the most popular and lucrative investments in the world, the share market. Part 1, the basics. Before we dive into the secrets of the share market, let's first go over some basic concepts. First and foremost, what exactly is the share market? Simply put, it's a place where you can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a share of a company, you are essentially buying a small ownership stake in that company. Part 2. Do your research. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of investing in the share market. The first secret to success is to do your research. Before you invest in any stock, it's important to thoroughly research the company's financials, management, industry trends, and any other relevant information. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid potential risks. Part 3. Diversify your portfolio. The second secret to success in the share market is to diversify your portfolio. This means spreading your investments across multiple stocks, industries, and asset classes to minimize risk. By diversifying your portfolio, you can protect your investments from sudden market shifts and other unexpected events. Part 4. Invest for the long term. The third secret to success in the share market is to invest for the long term. Trying to time the market or make short-term gains can be risky. Instead, focus on investing in quality stocks that have the potential to grow over time. By taking a long-term approach, you can avoid the stress of market fluctuations and potentially earn more money in the long run. Part 5. Stay up to date. The fourth secret to success in the share market is to stay up to date on market trends and news that could impact your investments. This means keeping an eye on stock market indices, economic indicators, and news related to the companies you're invested in. By staying informed, you can make informed decisions and stay ahead of potential risks. Part 6. Control your emotions. Finally, the fifth secret to success in the share market is to control your emotions. Fear and greed can often lead to poor investment decisions. Try to remain calm and objective, and stick to your investment strategy even during volatile market conditions. Conclusion. So there you have it, the secrets of the share market. Remember, investing in the share market is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term strategy that requires patience, research, and discipline. If you're new to investing, start small and seek professional advice if needed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.